In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable Lookup fields. To follow along, make sure you're logged into Airtable and have a base open. In this example, I'm using a simple example base, but you can use any base that has multiple tables. What we're going to do is turn a regular field into a linked record field and then use that link as the foundation for lookup fields later on. First, head to the table in your base where you want to set up the relationship. This might be a table like projects, tasks, or in this case, just an example table. Once you're there, look for the column that you want to convert into a link. This is currently a standard field type, such as a single select. Click on the column header to open its field menu. From that menu, choose the option to edit the field. This opens the field configuration panel, where you can change the field type and adjust its settings. Right now, you'll see that the field type is set to something like single select. Click on that field type to open the list of available types. Instead of keeping it as a single select, we're going to change it to a linked record so that it can connect to another table. From the list, choose Link to another record. This tells Airtable that each cell in this column will reference a record stored somewhere else in your base, rather than storing the value directly. When you do this, Airtable will ask which table you want to link to. From the list of tables, select the one that holds the source information you want to reference. In this example, that's a table called Table 3, but in your own base, it might be something like Clients or Products. Once you've chosen the table, click Save to apply the change. Airtable may show a confirmation dialog explaining that the existing field will be converted into linked records. Go ahead and confirm the change. You might also see a prompt offering to create additional fields automatically. For now, you can click Skip to keep things simple and stay focused on the link itself. Finally, switch over to the table you just linked to, such as Table 3, to see the relationship from the other side. You'll notice that Airtable has created a corresponding linked field there as well. This connection is what lookup fields use to pull in related data across tables.